Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Q back with another video, man. Today I got a mic in my hand, so I'm excited. All right, today I am going to show you guys how to fix analog 5 because they got a 5 now, and pretty much it's the same thing as fixing 4. So this is gonna be a very short video. So first, what you're gonna want to do is click the 3 little lines in the top left corner. That's step 1. Step 2, you're gonna want to go to resize window. After that, you're gonna go to the one of your liking. For me, I like it as big as possible. You see my video. I'll just have to cut that out. And voila, that's how you change the size. And then if you want, you could come down here, press the little arrows. That works as well. Those arrows are gonna make it a little bit bigger. It's gonna make it so that it fits your entire screen. And that's that, guys. Now you have a proper sized Analog Lab 5. Yay, woo. Well, that's that for the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and if you do that, I'll love you forever. So will your parents and everyone else. Yay. All right, goodbye.